Yeah, said that she love me. Said she gon' hold me down. She don't even trust me. All this fake ass love, I ain't even love it. I'm just trying to keep the money. I'm just trying to get money. Niggas out here saying something. Nah, they ain't thuggin'. Fuck all that shit, I'm be focused. All this money keep growing. Yeah, I'm really on it. Fuck what they talking, they owe me. Bitch ass nigga keep trolling. Keep on trolling, I'ma pull him. Go and knock him off. Fuck what they talking, I'm ballin' now. All these niggas keep flexing about. Shit, I ain't talking out. Nah, talking out your lip, nigga. I'm your motherfucking boss, you a simp, nigga. Fuck all that shit, nigga. Get knocked out quick, nigga. Told your bitch, nigga, she can get the same hit, nigga. Nah, I can switch it up anytime I want to, niggas. I've been on my grind since younger. I already do that shit for my brother. You already know how a real nigga coming. Straight for the block, nigga, we gon' get honeys. I don't give a fuck how these niggas be stomping. Nah, you ain't a stepper. Fuck around with fake weapons. Heat on my side, keep stepping. Block a nigga in the motherfucking city right now, nigga, come catch it. Yeah, I'm sending messages. Oh, to some real niggas. They already know we in the field with it. Yeah, niggas ain't really stunting. Niggas out here be front. I ain't got time for the mud money. Yeah, I'm talking Benjis. Trying to go get more plenty. Trying to go get more plenty. More plenty Benjis, nigga. Yeah. Check out the reputation. I come on that bitch on these fucking haters like fuck what they talking about, what they making. I don't give a fuck cause I'm really going crazy with these motherfucking words. You already know I done dropped off the kids like I dropped off my baby. I don't give a fuck, these niggas keep hating. Placing about a bag they ain't get. Placing about a hoe they ain't hit. I don't give a fuck, little nigga get missing. Shoot on my side, we're gonna go ahead and get it. Get it done. Pussy that nigga, we ain't trying to have fun. Oh, summer nigga, I'm toting the drum. I don't give a fuck where these fuck niggas from.